Pabalik na kami ng bus. Bumili sila ng amethyst. What? Ito nga, natatainga ako. Asa dyan? Huli ka, huli ka? Ano ba yung clothing? O, tikman naman.
Basta. Ikaw.
So guys, I'm in the restroom right now. I'm waiting for Dad. And I'm having a hard time fixing the Wi-Fi because it's not working. Anyways, I met with my friend a while ago. That was Ellie. She's my friend in FEU. So yeah, we had coffee and chatted a little. So I'm here right now. I don't know where this is. It's like a theater. I'm waiting for Dad because I took a huge shit. Lasa.